vampires? By now, we are sure you are well familiar with how ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way we search, work, and learn. But today, we have another tool that we want to highlight. It's called Perplexity, and it's like ChatGPT's smarter sibling that combines the power of ChatGPT-4 with web searching. So what can Perplexity do? Well, imagine a search engine that cuts out all the noise. It helps you find the information you need without any distracting images or ads, and it's like having a personal assistant dedicated to finding reliable sources. So let's talk about how it can be a game changer in the classroom. Unlike ChatGPT, Perplexity is purpose-built for education. It provides accurate and contextually relevant responses to educational questions. One of the standout features of Perplexity is its user-friendliness and transparency. You can start using it right away without any login hassle, ensuring your personal data stays protected. And here's a nifty feature. If you're interested in exploring the sources further, just click the View List button. It gives you a detailed breakdown of each analyzed article. Plus, you can even access the sourced content directly within the app. Pretty convenient, right? So let's look into some practical applications of Perplexity in the classroom. First up, lesson planning and content creation. Perplexity provides a treasure trove of resources, ideas, and examples to help you create engaging and effective lesson plans. It's a real time saver and boosts the quality of your instruction. It also supports our approaches to learning. So when it comes to developing ATLs and crucial thinking and research skills, Perplexity is like a brainstorming partner. It helps students generate inquiries, research questions, and follow-ups. You can formulate factual, topical, conceptual, and even debatable questions. It encourages considering multiple perspectives and developing arguments from different angles. And it also supports information literacy. It assists you in evaluating and selecting reliable sources and digital tools suitable for specific tasks. You can create references, citations, footnotes, and even construct a bibliography following established conventions. Oh, here's a neat trick. You can use Perplexity as your research journal because you can simply copy the URL for your work and paste it into your document. This way, you and your students can easily go back to it and share the research process with one another. It's a great way to showcase your thought process and the progress of your inquiry. Let's not forget our multilingual learners. Perplexity has an awesome feature that provides article summaries in multiple languages. This helps those who need their native language to understand new concepts. And guess what? It even suggests sources and follow-up questions in their preferred language. Neat, right? Now, here are a few more cool things about Perplexity. It can gather video resources for you on a specific topic, so you can ask Perplexity to generate a list of videos connected to your line of inquiry. It even provides you with a summary. And if you're struggling with math equations, like myself, Perplexity has got your back. It can break down complex equations and make them easier to understand. Teachers will also love that it can become a secret weapon for providing personalized feedback and assessment. It can analyze student responses, identify areas for improvement, and offer tailored suggestions. And the best part is that Perplexity isn't limited to the classroom. It can be your virtual assistant for all sorts of things. Say you need help planning a trip for your summer coming up. You can fire up Perplexity AI Copilot and let it ask you clarifying questions to provide an answer based on your preferences. Really, it's so much easier than searching on Google in many ways. But let's get you started. You don't need to log in to use it, but if you want to unlock the power of ChatGPT-4, you will need to create an account. Of course, safety, privacy, and ethics are essential. Perplexity is GDPR compliant, it's checked for you to use, and It means your data and your students' data will be handled responsibly and securely. We would still recommend for you to read the terms of service, as with any tool. To sum it up, Perplexity is a powerful AI tool that will elevate your classroom experience. It's like having a smart sidekick to assist you with lesson planning, feedback, and differentiated instruction. And for the students, it's a real companion for problem solving and critical thinking. So it's time to get started. We know you won't be disappointed with this one. Cheers!